Let us show you the right way to clean your glasses.
The first thing I always like to do is wash my hands. By having clean hands, we don't bring any of that over to the frames and the lenses for the next step. Now, when it comes to choosing the right cleaner, you have to be very careful. Lots of cleaners on the market are alcohol-based, which doesn't play nice with the coatings on our lenses. For instance, these glasses here, they've got a UV coating, an anti-scratch coating, and a blue light coating. All of these can be broken down by alcohol or alcohol-based products.
Now, I know some like to use alcohol to sanitize their frames, but if you do wear clear frames like these ones here, never, ever, ever use the alcohol because it will cause them to yellow like these ones here.
So instead, opt for Blue Dawn dish soap. It's not crazy, it's not complicated, but it's what my eye doctor recommended for me. To start cleaning, I like to take my glasses and run them under some warm water. By doing this, I'm removing all of the dust and initial buildup that's on my lenses and on my frames. After they're thoroughly rinsed and they're looking pretty good, now it's time to add our soap. Just simply add a drop of Dawn dish soap on each lens. You don't need a lot. A little goes a long way when you're cleaning your glasses. To scrub, I like to take my thumb and my index finger and just move in a small circular motion across each lens. Now, you might even be able to feel the smudges beneath your fingers, so you might want to give those areas a little extra attention. Now, if your glasses are really dirty, you might be tempted, if you're cleaning them in your kitchen sink or your bathroom, to reach and grab a sponge or a scrubber. I would avoid doing this. These scrubbers, even though they may be scratch resistant, could potentially damage those fragile coatings that we talked about earlier. So stick with your fingers until your glasses are thoroughly cleaned. So now that we have the lenses looking really good, happy to get all those smudges out, we have to remember we want to clean the rest of the frames as well. On my glasses in particular, my nose gets a little oily, so a lot of buildup can happen right in here on the bridge of the glasses, or even where the glasses sit here on my ear. So you want to make sure you work in that Dawn dish soap and remove any grime or any buildup. Now, the last step here is to give our glasses a thorough rinse. Not only does this remove that last layer of dirt and grime, but it also makes sure there's no soap left behind. When it comes to drying our lenses and our frames, we want to make sure we're using the right cloth. Now, you know, here at Clean That Up, we love microfiber. But these here are woven microfiber cloths and probably aren't best for the job. Instead, opt for a smooth eyeglass specific microfiber cloth. Now, there's 3 reasons why I like to use an eyeglass specific microfiber cloth. Number 1, they're soft and aren't going to leave any scratches behind. Number 2, they're really good at buffing out any streaks or smudges. And number 3, they're lint free. Now, these are my old glasses, and as you can see, they're very, very scratched. Now, that's because at one point in time, I didn't care, or I didn't think it was important to use a microfiber cloth. I would oftentimes grab a piece of paper towel, Kleenex, or most often, I would use just the corner of my t-shirt. Now, doing this obviously led to a very unpleasant viewing experience. Now, to solve this issue, I just made sure I had microfiber cloths available all over my house, so I wasn't tempted to go grab one of these abrasive cleaners. Now, if you want to pick some of these up, we'll have links down in the description below so you can keep your glasses nice and clean. Now, I do suggest getting in the habit of cleaning your glasses every single day. If you think about it like this, if you wash your face every morning, but you don't clean your glasses, when you put your glasses back on, you're really just reintroducing all of that dirt and grime and bacteria to your nice clean face. And I know for me personally, that led to more acne and more discomfort with my skin.
So there you have it. Thanks to Noah, now we know the right way to get our glasses nice and clean. Thanks so much for watching as always, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel and smash that like button.
We also want to give a huge shout out to the Clean Squad over on Patreon. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and if you're interested in joining, check the link down in the description below.
And we'll see you on the next Clean.